Pollution prevention and waste minimization are two important concepts in environmental protection. Pollution prevention is the practice of reducing or eliminating pollution at the source, while waste minimization is the practice of reducing the amount of waste generated in the first place. Both pollution prevention and waste minimization have a number of benefits, including reduced environmental impact. By reducing or eliminating pollution and waste at the source, we can help to protect air, water, and land quality. Reduced costs. Reducing or eliminating pollution and waste can save businesses and organizations money on waste disposal costs, as well as on the cost of raw materials and energy. Improved public image. Businesses and organizations that are committed to pollution prevention and waste minimization are often seen as more environmentally responsible by the public. There are a number of ways to implement pollution prevention and waste minimization measures. Some common examples include process design, designing processes to generate less waste. Material substitution, using less hazardous materials. Recycling, recycling waste materials into new products. Composting, composting organic waste to create a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption can help to reduce pollution and waste from power plants and other industrial facilities. Here are some specific examples of pollution prevention and waste minimization measures that can be implemented in different sectors. Agriculture. Farmers can use precision agriculture practices to reduce the amount of fertilizer and pesticide they use, and they can compost crop residues and other organic waste. Industry. Manufacturers can use cleaner production methods to reduce waste and emissions, and they can recycle industrial waste materials. Commerce. Businesses can reduce waste by using less packaging and offering reusable shopping bags and containers. Government. Governments can promote pollution prevention and waste minimization through public education, incentives, and regulations. Pollution prevention and waste minimization are essential for protecting the environment and conserving resources. By taking steps to reduce or eliminate pollution and waste at the source, we can all make a difference. In addition to the benefits listed above, pollution prevention and waste minimization can also lead to increased productivity, improved worker safety, increased innovation, enhanced competitiveness. Businesses and organizations that implement pollution prevention and waste minimization measures are often rewarded with significant economic and environmental benefits. Physical hazardous waste treatment methods involve using physical processes to change the form or properties of hazardous waste, making it easier to handle, transport, or dispose of. Some common physical hazardous waste treatment methods include filtration. Filtration is used to remove suspended solids from hazardous waste liquids. Sedimentation. Sedimentation is used to allow suspended solids in hazardous waste liquids to settle to the bottom of the container. Flotation. Flotation is used to remove suspended solids from hazardous waste liquids by attaching them to air bubbles and floating them to the surface. Evaporation. Evaporation is used to remove volatile liquids from hazardous waste by heating the waste to a temperature at which the liquids evaporate. Incineration. Incineration is used to destroy hazardous waste by burning it at high temperatures. Chemical hazardous waste treatment methods involve using chemicals to change the physical or chemical properties of hazardous waste, making it less hazardous or easier to treat or dispose of. Some common chemical hazardous waste treatment methods include neutralization. Neutralization is used to adjust the pH of acidic or basic hazardous waste to a neutral pH. Oxidation. Oxidation is used to convert hazardous chemicals in waste into less hazardous chemicals. Reduction. Reduction is used to convert hazardous chemicals in waste into less hazardous chemicals. Precipitation. Precipitation is used to remove hazardous metals from hazardous waste liquids by converting them into insoluble solids. Ion exchange. Ion exchange is used to remove hazardous ions from hazardous waste liquids by exchanging them for less hazardous ions. The best method for treating physical or chemical hazardous waste depends on the type of waste and its composition. In some cases, a combination of physical and chemical treatment methods may be used. Here are some examples of how physical and chemical hazardous waste treatment methods are used. Used oil. Used oil can be treated using a variety of methods, including filtration, sedimentation, and evaporation. These methods remove impurities from the oil, making it suitable for reuse or recycling. Acidic waste. Acidic waste can be treated using neutralization to adjust the pH to a neutral level. This makes the waste less hazardous and easier to dispose of. Heavy metal waste. Heavy metal waste can be treated using precipitation to remove the heavy metals from the waste liquid. The precipitated metals can then be disposed of in a hazardous waste landfill. Organic waste. Organic waste can be treated using incineration to destroy it completely. This is a common method for treating hazardous waste that contains organic chemicals. It is important to note that physical and chemical hazardous waste treatment methods can generate new waste streams, such as sludges or filter cakes. These new waste streams must also be managed and disposed of properly.